Hey guys, it's Tanya from 4 Girls Jewelry. It's Tuesday and I'm excited to sit and work today with my wires. So I want to show some projects that I work on and will show you also how I make those links. So I don't know if I mentioned that I'm taking some classes from my local art school and just playing with the metal and making a lot of different components. I like that it's like I just poke the metal and I really like how it looks. It's look like stars in the sky. So I just add this is a 14 gauge wire on top, and I just like a little emerald hanging here. But I do want to show how I made these simple links. It's very simple, but from those simple sort of links you can create beautiful jewelry. So kind of childish maybe, but sometimes you want to do a colorful jewelry, so you can use any of the beads you want and just make elements for your necklaces. I think I will put in each loop here two um, small gems on the a head pin, so it will be two, all of them, and just finish with a simple chain. I start to make something like that. I thought it will be a piece, like if I do two of them and then have something here like pendant, will be beautiful. So you can play around to combine different things with different components. I really like that. I like idea to have a metal done like this. It's really cool. I like it. I don't know how you guys will react to that, but I just love it. It's a simple piece of copper, and I just use hole puncher. It's not a hole puncher. It's like a I don't know what it is, but it's like you can just poke through the metal with your hammer. So earrings. I did them last night. Very simple. It's kind of looking crazy, but I like crazy jewelry, so it's a 24 gauge wire. If you guys will be interested, I can film it next time. It's very simple. It's just I use 7 rounds of wire and then just twist and manipulate the wire to create that oval shape. So let's make today those small links. We will need 24 gauge. I use my 24 gauge wire for that. And gemstones, because it's 24 gauge, almost any gem will go because it's thin wire. To make that more stable, what I do, I leave a little piece and I use my pail maker plier. So you just use, depends, because they are small, so we don't need a lot of wires, and I will do twice, just like that, twice around the mandrel. You can see that's 2. So when they cross together, they're supposed to be like crossing. I just nicely make twist. Just make sure you make nice twist, and that's it. So we have 2 wires spreading from that nice double circle here, right? And it's okay if it's misshaped. Sometimes you can still put it on your pliers and make that looks nice. Okay, so we have 2 legs here, and we'll put 2 beads on each. You guys always ask about the size of the beads. Any size of the beads. Of course, if you want a huge one, then you might need more wires and stuff, but any small gems or crystals will work with this. I use labradorite. It's smaller, you can see. I don't know if I measure, I don't know if it's 2 mil or something like that. And let's put these 2 and 2. So now I leave a little bit room because we wanted to have that link not completely to the, yeah, like this, and then the other leg also here. You can see, right? Yeah, just make sure it sits nice. Sometimes it's need adjustment, maybe I put it too far. Make sure it's nicely sits together. Okay, I think now it's perfect. And then I just hold this part, make sure the longer wire is going this way, and then we have the small short wire that go twice around. It's nice to hold, just hold it so it will not move for you. If I cut, make sure it's nicely tucked in. Okay, and then I do use the same one that I used before, and I make 2 times over the same size to create again double, just like we did in the beginning. And then I cut. That's it. We have one link. Make sure you're nicely tucked in your wire, and when you put it on your board, you make sure it sits. So for these guys, I also later twist that like this way, because it's needed to be both same direction, so you can use it for I use with the jump ring here, or for the links, that's what, you know, the same, they facing the same direction. But for the something like that, you also can do same direction and then add jump rings or something. But I also feel like it could be like this way, so you can put just maybe one bigger pearl, looks nice, or like I'm planning to put 2 beads in each, and I want to use very sparkly one and tiny. I can even put more, I can put 4 of them, so it will be a lot of like this will be cascade of the beads. So I hope you guys like this idea and create something colorful for spring to come. You know, it's getting warmer in Chicago. I feel like we'll have spring tomorrow, but I know we won't, so it's a tricky weather. That's all for today. I know it's a very short video, but I hope you're gonna like it and create your own link jewelry with any leftover components you have. You can, it's fun to combine to add it, just a simple metal with some beads and some links and stuff. So one day somebody asked me if I can talk about how I create. So basically that's what I do. I just put beads that I want to work with and try to play. An idea comes when I work on it. So it's just hard to explain how it comes, but it does come. Each time I sit at my desk, I just create something. Maybe I will quickly also share how I do these. It's very simple. We just need 24 gauge. Let me grab some 24 gauge. Where is 24 gauge? I don't know where I put my wires. It's kind of funny. Oh, it's here. Okay, I have 24 gauge. Let me just quickly grab it. Just 1 second. I'll be right there. Okay, so I have a piece of 24 gauge, and I think I use it for the these earrings I use my hammer. So what I did, I just left a little piece of wire here, and then I calculate until 7, so they reach, like, they join 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it. And you remove that from your hammer or anything. It can be marker, can be anything. And the important thing is just right away make few wraps so secure the shape. So I did that, and here we are. So we have something like that. Doesn't look anything like this, but what I did is I took my nylon pliers and I just bent this way, 1, 2, something like that. Then gently you go on the other side and you do the same thing, 1, 2, that's good enough. And then we have the bottom one, so the bottom one too I will do. You make sure, because wherever how you, if you mold it like fold it this way, then you don't want to unfold it, so you will do this way. Okay, looks messy. And then the part that I did, I like to just slowly make it shape. Nice shape. So it's already, you can see it is more organic, I can say. So I just would play, make it. When you do earrings, you can do both at the same time. They can be more ovalish, more squarish, whatever you want. You can also make it more maybe teardrop shape. But the thing is, when you're done with it, it's stable. It's not really like how to say, it's strong enough to use it as a jewelry itself. But I also like to use hammer and just hammer, so it can be really strong, because the wires just tap, a lot of taps, small taps. Don't be too rough on your 24 gauge. And then after that you just make a simple wrap and make earrings out of it, right? Could be also a shape for some components for your necklaces or something. Mine is a little bit out of I feel like it's need to be this way a little bit. I just did it very fast, but you have idea. So that's the one. Also, if you wanted to, like, make sure it sits how you want it before you hammer, because you don't want to destroy anything after you hammer. And that can make also beautiful part for your necklaces too. I was working on something before, but now I don't know. Oh, here it is. I will show you it. I didn't like it because I also have that piece, and I just carve it a little bit here and put it inside. I don't like it, but that's why I put it in a place where I redo it. I even destroyed the top here because it has the bead before. I don't like it, but I do like the earrings like that, and I would consider work with the shape this and maybe create something, maybe put more anything inside. I just still thinking what I would do, you know, something from that. But that's a cool idea for if you have a lot of 24 gauge wire and you don't know what to do with that. Guys, I hope I shared today what I do. I like to be a constant and always share where I am and what I'm doing from week to week. I really appreciate all your comments, all your emails. Sorry if I didn't respond, it gets overwhelmed. I receive a lot of emails, a lot of you guys reach me, like connect with me on Instagram and Facebook. And I saw on Facebook, and I do apologize for those who send all the messages through the Facebook. I don't know how to find it anymore. It's like, I don't know. It's just, I'm very bad with technology. I do apologize. If you have questions, those who listen me and who send me anything on the Facebook, please send me through the maybe YouTube better, or on Instagram if you have it, because there I can see my messages. For some reason I can't find on Facebook because I have my private one and business, but I just don't know how to look at the other one. It just doesn't pop anymore. So I do apologize for that. Thank you guys. It's warmed my heart that I am giving you inspiration, and a lot of people email me and connect with me that they inspired by me. I feel like my job is done, because I always want to just inspire and be inspirational, somebody who can spark creativity in other people, because I am very creative. I know that it always was in me, and I love to share from really, I really honestly want to share. That's why whatever I do, sometimes people are like, oh my god, don't show your secrets. It's not secrets. We not here as a competition. We here on this planet to share and help each other to grow. And I just want to spread my love and my creativity with everybody, so we can all create amazing stuff. We're not competing. We just all in this together. I love you guys, and if you can share my video with other people, please do. I would love to this channel to grow, so hopefully it will be my main job in the future. Thank you for everything, and I will see you every Tuesday, promise. Bye bye.